What's going on, everyone? Welcome to an Unther Outdoors video. We are here at this awesome looking abandoned train station. Look at this thing. This is so cool.
The jungle theme of it. Like
Yeah. I'm sure it was already there. It looks so cool. It's so cool. Look at this place. Feel a little bit of raindrops, but oh, sweet. You can get in everything. Nice. Look at this. Look how cool this is. Oh my gosh. Look how cool that is. Nice. Sweet. Real close up. Oh, this is so cool. They just don't want you to go in that room over there. But look how cool this is. Everything about this. That's so cool. So this is a 1984. Yeah, and then there's stuff over here. Well, thanks for watching this video. This was the abandoned train station, and it looks so cool. We hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time.